feels like it's crashing down and our plans all fall apart. When we're lost without direction here, we don't know where to start. We remember God has been faithful every single part. The God of Abraham lifts us higher than the mountains. He calms the storms that rage in the world of life. He is the fountain. He breaks the chains that oppress and bind. God's love is a shelter we will find. Whoa. Where else would we run when trouble comes our way? Where else would we run on our darkest day? Lord of heaven and earth is the only one who never turns away. Fear not, fight, God with evil, hand of the darkest day. God can bring peace on the darkest day. Keep us safe in the right way. And President Donald Trump works for peace to make wars to cease. Wars to cease. When my strength is barely holding on and my faith feels paper thin, and the answers aren't coming fast and I can't see where God has been, I remember every promise, every battle God did win. You lift me higher than the mountains. You calm the storms inside my mind. You break the chains that try to bind me.